Are your product options getting lost in drop-down menus? It's time to turn them into visual experiences your customers can't resist. Introducing the Variation Swatches module by ShopLentor. Make your product options pop with eye-catching color, image, and label swatches that drive more sales. Watch how you can increase engagement and reduce decision fatigue with just a simple switch. Here's how easy it is to set up. Go to your WordPress dashboard, ShopLentor, Settings and Modules, and enable the Variation Swatches module. Next, enable the Auto Convert dropdown to label and Auto Convert dropdown to image options. Activate Tooltip for additional info when hovering over swatches. You'll also see options to customize swatch height, width, shape style, and swatch position. Once you're done, click Save Settings. Now, go to Products, Attributes, Configure Terms, and click Edit on the Color attribute. Select a color and click Update. For swatch tooltips, upload an image and hit Update again. Finally, visit your store and check out the result. So, what does this do for your store? Create intuitive shopping experiences, boost conversions, reduce decision fatigue, enhance mobile shopping. Ready to turn your product options into engaging visual choices? Activate the Variation Swatches module with ShopLentor today and start boosting conversions, enhancing user experience, and growing your sales.